Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Plenty-of-Fish or your POF account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your POF or your Plenty-of-Fish account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in pof.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for POF login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see on the first result of Google there is the pof.com over here. Click over there and it's the direct login page of POF, whereas this is the home page of POF from the direct web address, and this is the direct login page from the Google. Now to log into your POF or your Plenty-of-Fish account from the home page of POF, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click over there and you can see my username and my password is already set over here. You'll be required to do the same. Enter your username or your email over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your POF account. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgot your password option available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you have not yet registered an account on POF, you can see the register button available on the top right corner of your screen. And now let's click on login. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our POF account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.